Hello friends, this is Romey from Romey's Life, and today we are working on our debt, and we are working in trying to pay off what I have. As I stated before, I am a mom of the children 14 and 6, and my whole overall goal is to pay off debt. So today, kind of like this, well, in all disclosure, I already have all of my debt written in a notebook. This is just putting it in Excel along, if you can see here, along with my other items or my other Buna budgets and my thinking phones. One of the principles that Dave Ramsey explained to you for you to do is to put in paper or to put in writing everything that you are willing or wanting to pay, and this is kind of like to show me what I need to pay. Excuse me. So we're gonna start first with my one of my biggest debt that take more is my car, and I'm using Excel because Excel is more visual for me. I have the dates here, as you can see. I have different columns. I have date, the description, the amount due, the financial progress, and the payoff date. So right here, we're gonna go first on the date, which is the date that I created the budget, May 25th. I have right here the item. I have right here how much I owe. And for every penny that I put into this car, let's say I put $110, if you can see in the bottom, it will start taking it off. It takes it off from this, take it off from this column, from column C, from column D. So at the end, column C and column D is supposed to end on zero, zero balance, both of them, to match out what I have. How are we gonna do that? I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm saying. So if I pay off everything, you see how everything is going into zero until, oh, what did I do? I only put 4,000. My bad. Supposed to be zero. Okay, right here. What did I do? Let me go back. I'm sorry. I don't know what I did right there. Oh, I forgot. I have auto savings and this. Oh yeah, that's how much I owe. 569.75. Okay, that's how much I owe, and then 350, and that's how much I owe. So at the end, you guys can see that column C and column D are all zero balance. If I wish to delete all these amounts, we're gonna have right here how much I owe. So for every penny that I enter that I pay on these items, this is what I'm going to do. So we're gonna add now the payoff dates that I have for each one, as you can see right here. Oh my god, sorry, my allergies are just messing with me. I just want it right here in the middle that I can see it better. So I have goals in the payoff dates that I'm gonna have for each item. So for example, the first one is a Toyota. The payoff date that I have is the goal is April 30, 2020. This is just a goal. I could be done before, I could be done after, but my goal is to have it paid off on that day. And hopefully once I'm done paying that off, I can go on a vacation that I haven't gone in a long time with my family. I would love to go to South Carolina, I'm sorry, New York and Company. These items that I'm going to highlight in here, these items right here are in collections, so I need to pay it off with them. Dave Ramsey, which I am trying to follow his principles the best I can, he and recommend if your items are already in collection, just go ahead and settle for at least 30% of the debt. This is not 30% of the debt, but this is what I'm willing to pay to them. This is how much I owe, what I'm showing right here. But I have little notes that I created. For example, right here, I have that I want to settle in collection with this company. $250, and that's the name of the company that I going to be making the payment. So we got the another company. This is how much I would like to settle with them. And I also have right here the dates for each company when I wanted to pay. The one that shows right here 12/31/2025 are my student loans. That's the last thing I'm worried about because I'm still in school and I'm not making any dent on it at the moment. So I will be paying those once I pay the credit cards and the car, because I don't make enough money. I can't say that I'm going to just start kicking stuff to the curve very fast. So I'm doing the best I can with my circumstances. That's what it's called, personal finances. That's what I don't necessarily follow Dave Ramsey 100%. I'm trying to adjust some of his views according to the circumstances that I have at the moment. Which one are we paying? Okay, in 2019 we are getting paid. We actually paying two debts. So which one is my kids' orthodontics? My oldest has braces, and also small credit card. That's the goal, because once I pay that in October, I can put the money towards the this credit card right here. So that's a plus. So this is what I owe so far, and this is the plan that I have at the moment. Not sure how I'm gonna be able to achieve that. I mean, I have an idea, but things happen in between. One thing that I did also was I changed the color of my tab right here. Let me just go ahead and make this bigger really quick. Hopefully you can see this on the bottom right here. I changed this color right here to depth, and the depth tab to red, because changing it to the color red, it kind of pops up on me when I'm doing my finances. So I know that I need to visit this and make adjustments every time I make a payment to any of the items here. So this is something that I did for my visual attention. I mean, some of us are visual, so that helps me a lot. So once I start paying this and this is done, I mean, hopefully the overall goal is to be debt free by 45. So the only debt that I would like to have at that point will be my home, and that will be it. So we'll see. Yeah, but this is all I have, friends, for today. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the below this video. If you like these videos and all the Excel videos that I've been putting out, please subscribe, give me thumbs up, share. Let's be social. You can share all your concerns also at Instagram, Team CMB. I'll be posting in there. I don't post necessarily about budgeting and stuff like that, because I'm still learning how to have a successful monthly budget, but also I'm open to suggestions and requests. So I hope everybody have a good time and a good rest of your week. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.